दाबोळी विमानतळार येवपी ट्युरिस्टांक कसलेच तरेचे गैरसोय जावची न्हय हाची जतनाय सरकार घेतले। ते खातीर आमी थळावे पंचायतीचेरय जबाबदारी दिल्या। दोनय विमानतळां समान महत्व दितले, येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले। दक्षिण गोय हॉटेल वेवसायिकांची जोड बसका आपयली। येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनो दाबोळी विमानतळ आनी संबंधित विशयाचेर चर्चा घडोवन हाडली। नौदळ, आरटीओ, गोय विमानतळ प्राधिकरण, कदंब महामंडळ अशा विविध विभागाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांच्या हजेरेत ही बसका जाली।
आम्ही आता ती रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पंचायती दितले, ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट आम्ही त्यांना व्हेकल विथ क्रेन दितले and they are 100 सरपंच is here, Mr. Kamla Prasad Yadav, they have agreed to undertake the responsibility. कित्याक कायच्या काय पार्किंग जाऊन सगळ्यांक ब्लॉक करता, पॅसेंजर हाती धरून मेन रोडार वरता ते टॅक्सीन इलिगली बसोवपाक। सो दिस थिंग शुड स्टॉप because today it is a reality. We have two airports. We are not competing with anyone. We have our own value. They have their own value. But we want both synergies to combine well, and we want to give the best to the travelling public, to the tourists. This is the emphasis. For the sake of Goa, for the sake of our economy, for the sake of tourism, we know the footfall should only increase by leaps and bounds as is the trend today. So there is, as I say, there should be a good combination of synergy as far as Mauvin and Dabolim is concerned. And I think that way Dabolim has played a very important and awesome role. It will continue to play so. And I have told the South Goa hoteliers, don't be even by chance apprehensive of anything to the contrary which goes with the view that Dabolim will, operations at Dabolim will come down or they will change. Figures speak otherwise. As to the actual numbers and what they have done, I would like you to hear from them, because I will always be saying as the local MLA and the minister in the government of Goa.
We have not received any request for reduction in the traffic. In fact, on the contrary, the request has been there for increase in traffic. So over the last month to the next month, which is the forecasted month, so we are going to have a little more traffic. As far as the landing slots are concerned, we've offered as much as 340 slots. That itself the airlines are not able to match up. So there is no shortage of slots to land. In fact, there are in excess. Right now we have more than 150 slots which are still vacant, which the airlines can comfortably use. And all the development which is happening, we've upgraded our airport to the Cat 2, which is at par with Mauvin. So in case of low visibility monsoons also the aircraft can now land. Earlier that was a limitation. So every which way I think that it is moving in the right direction, and the traffic is not reducing, at least in the foreseeable future.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले।